In this tutorial we will download all the Snap memories using Python. Follow these steps. First, open your Chrome. Visit this site. Select the options and click Next. You can select timeline duration for which you need to download. You can also select custom timeline by selecting the dates. Enter your mail so that you will get a link after the export is done. Now click on Submit. I have already exported. By clicking on See Exports you will see yours previously exported data. You can download it from here. Copy the downloaded zip file into a folder. Open the zip file. Inside HTML folder you will find Memories History file. This file contains all the links for downloading the data. Copy the contents inside the zip and paste them. I will be using Jupyter Notebook to write code. You can use any code editor you like. First we need WebDriver, so we will import it. Give the path of Chrome driver at where it is present in the system. If you don't have a Chrome driver already downloaded, you can download it from Chrome. Once you visit this site, check out the version that is compatible with your Chrome. You can check your Chrome and setting at About section. Now we need to set the file path. The file we needed is Memories History file. Let's open the file once. You can see the driver opens the file once you run the code. Now it's time to fetch all the links in the page. Since we use that links to download our data, we will use Beautiful Soup for that here. So I am importing it. Now we will read this file using Soup. Let's open the Memories History page once. The download options here is a link. Let's fetch all these links. This line will fetch all the links. Find _all, a, refers to a tag of HTML. Let's find the total links we got. Here we may have some unnecessary links. Let's remove them by filtering. Let's inspect the Memories History page and find the common thing in link. Here links JavaScript download memories in ref as common. We will use it to filter the links that has used for downloads. Let's write a simple lambda function for filtering. Now we can see the total count of links has been reduced. Now let's try downloading a single file from the page. To do so, let's store the first link from the links list as a link. Now let's create a variable that will store the URL of the file, which will be used for selecting the link. Now we will select it by its CSS property. Let's run the code. I got some error. These are just because I forgot some imports in code. Let's complete those. Now if we run the code, it will download the first file in the list. See, it worked. Now we can keep this code in a for loop over the links list so that all the files will get downloaded. Now you see multiple files downloading. And that's it. So I showed you one of the ways to complete the task. Comment your thoughts.